Matongoretio ni Raila Odinga na Martha Karua muthenya wa aramithi atongoria Azimio aigi ao kuma kaunti cia gatagati ka bururi matetetie ikinya ria atongoria a thirikari magitongorio ni munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua ria gũthutũkania andu ethi makiria aanake a gitaru gia gatagati ka bururi na kũmeta mũngĩkĩ.
There is now an attempt to artificially re-establish Mũngĩkĩ movement.
We are seeing the profiling of Mount Kenya youth as Mũngĩkĩ, which amounts to an attempt by the regime to create an artificial crisis to justify violence against innocent youth from the mountain.
Hiti ndireaga mwana no ingenda kuria mwana yajagia kuga mwana ucio hiana mburi.
Azimio marauga ona atongoria gatagati ka bururi aria mataranyita mbaru thirikari ya President William Ruto ta President wa kana Uhuru Kenyatta riu manjiriirie kugiritanio na gikundi kia Mũngĩkĩ.
Question which comes through is, where has this subject of Mũngĩkĩ come from? Because no incident has been observed, and you media people have been with us in this nation. What has happened in the last 6 months to justify the statement and the proposition that there is the emergence of Mũngĩkĩ?
Mount Kenya is not available for auction. You need to look around for something else to sell.
Riu atongoria mũng'ethanĩro marauga kũgwetania aanake na atongoria gatagati ka bururi na ikundi ngananie ni kũmaiga ũgwati-inĩ wa kũgerwo ngero nĩ honge cia ũgitĩri cigĩkinyanĩria watho.
You start ethnicization of one community. How do you think Kenyans are feeling about it?
Also quickly ask, what is this that they know that they don't need the youth in future? There must be a grand plan.
Wahenga walisema mbiu ya mgambo ikilia kuna jambo. Na leo tumesikia mbiu ya mgambo ikilia mlima Kenya.
Ati sisi kama Azimio la Kenya tunapinga vikali sana ile njama ya kujaribu kunyanyasa vijana wa mkoa wa Kati katika taifa letu. Tumeona njama ikifanywa kujaribu kufanya watu hawa ni watu ni wahalifu, ati ni Mũngĩkĩ.
Azimio oho ni mokireire thirikari makiuga kahora iraima thirikari cia kaunti mbeca niguo iremwo kurutira muingi wira.
There is a deliberate effort to try to take over some of the functions which are being done by the county government. But also everybody knows that corruption has shot up.
Na riri bunge-ini kwirigirirwo ndereti hiyo aramithi abunge magicirira ndereti ya watho wa kigina ya mwaka uyu iria yahuranitie a Kenya ni undu wa magoti. Abunge a Azimio ni mathitwo makaregana na ndereti iyo na mamigwithie.
Kama wewe ni mwana Azimio, pinga kabisa. Na wale wabunge ambao wataunga mkono hiyo mswada, nataka wale wapigaji kura wao waweke wao kwenye darubini ili wajue kwamba wao ni wasaliti wa wananchi wa Kenya.
Haduini ha Inooro TV, jitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.